Welcome to Rolle Gardens, an exclusive collection of beautifully crafted homes in the heart of Exmouth, one of Devon's most desirable coastal towns. Centered around the stunning Grade II-listed Eldin House, Rolle Gardens combines historic character with contemporary design, creating a truly unique place to call home. The final 2- and 3-bedroom homes retain beautiful Gothic architectural features. Inside, spacious open-plan layouts, contemporary fitted kitchens, integrated appliances, and high-quality finishes provide everything needed for comfortable modern living. Located less than a 10-minute walk from Exmouth Beach, residents can enjoy miles of golden sands, stunning coastal scenery, and the vibrant atmosphere of this popular seaside town. Combining heritage, style, and an exceptional coastal location, Rolle Gardens offers a rare opportunity to enjoy the very best of modern living by the sea. Discover Rolle Gardens today and find your new home in beautiful Exmouth.